ng araw, habang lahat ay tinatamad kumalaw. May isang babae, ready na umalis. Kahit saan ka man tumingin, siya ang lagi mong makikita. Kahit saan ka man naon, ituloy mo lang, oh Julia. Keep exploring girl, go lang ng go. Saan ka man makarating, basta lang magpapaalam. Julia, oh Julia, lahat sara. Sa Mega Mall, nag-i-enjoy siya. Tapos sa Green Hills may bago nakita. Mula sa beach hanggang sa coffee shop, si Julia saan-saan nakakarating. Kahit saan ka man tumingin, siya ang lagi mong makikita. Kahit saan ka man naon, ituloy mo lang, oh Julia. Keep exploring girl, go lang ng go. Saan ka man makarating, basta lang magpapaalam. Julia, oh Julia, lahat sara. Parang si Dorothy Explorer, kahit saan ka tumingin, siya ang iyong makikita. Batanes hanggang sulod, SM North to SM South, ang babaeng lakwat-sera. Ang pangalan ay Julia. Kahit saan ka man naroon, ituloy mo lang, go Julia. Keep exploring girl, go lang ng go. Keep it up, saan ka man makarating, basta lang magpapaalam. Julia, oh Julia, oh Julia, 12 AM on the dot sa ilalim ng buwan. Habang lahat ay tahimik, lahat ay natutulog, may isang babae, naglalakwat siya.
What's that?
Nasi lemak. It's a rice.
Rice.
What's the definition? Yeah. Definition here? Or this side, we have description. Fragrant coconut rice served with spicy sambal. But it's not that spicy. Actually, we make it like suit to local taste. Yeah. Okay, just a bit. You want to try? Why? It's 350 pesos only.
Next time I'm vlogging.
Oh, you're vlogging?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, alright. This is part of the Malaysian cuisine. This is a famous Malaysian cuisine.
Malaysia, truly Asia.
Oh, thank you. This is bihon soup, also nice.
Hello from Philippines.
Hello. Hi.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you for watching us.
Once again, we are still accepting participants for the kids coloring contest. This is open to kids ages up until 14 years old. It's time for you to unleash
Hello, Laos. Indonesia. Kunang ka ah. Kunang ah.
Take a picture, sir.
Ah. Indonesia.
So while we're waiting for our participants to finish their orders, let's head on over to another exciting part of our event today. We're going to continue with our general Malaysian knowledge to be given away to those who can give us the correct answer to our questions. This is open to everyone. If you know the answer to the question, feel free to head over to the stage to give your answer. Okay? Are you guys ready? I don't think anyone's ready. Are you guys ready? To our host. So we have multiple choice questions. Best known for. What is Cameron Highlands best known for? A. Palm oil plantations. B. Tea plantations in cool climate. C. Beaches in coral reefs. Or D. Rice terraces. Again, what is Cameron Highlands best? What? Are you ready to answer? No? Okay. Any guesses? B. Tea plantations in cool climate. That is correct. Congratulations. You may claim your prize. Thank you, Christine. C. Ship navigation. Or D. Wind power generation. Get it? B. Letter B. Generation. The Putra Mosque in Putrajaya is distinctive for its black. The Putra Mosque in Putrajaya is distinctive for its black. Okay, very generous. We are giving away one more prize. You still have a chance, sir. Maybe we can stick to letter B. Okay, one letter part. One letter part. Your answer is B. We still have more later. So we are going to come back and really ready to present the prizes for our kids coloring contest. Give us a moment to make the decision and we will come back for the prize for the announcing of winners of the kids coloring contest. Alright, thank you so much. For now, please keep your eyes on stage as we play some of our video montages.